cooking on charcoal, cooking outside, it's the best.
All right, now what we want to do is actually stoke this charcoal. Do you have like a blow dryer by chance?
What are you gonna do with it?
We're gonna stoke the charcoal with it.
I mean, I can get a blow dryer. There's blow dryers
I
here.
want a blow dryer.
Okay, I found a blow dryer. I mean,
what's next, right? Look at that.
look at that.
Woo! Okay, great. It's a secret chef's trick. The oxygen and the airflow is what gets the charcoal lit, you know?
Yeah.
And they're fans and stuff like that, but the blow dryer is the best. So we're just gonna lay these down. Now you can see like we have this charcoal very, very close because that's what we want. We want a lot of smoke. We just want it to sear. We're grilling it.
Good, no, it's good. Enough some flame going. There you
Correct.
go.
We're gonna cook these like 3 minutes or so per side.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have some fantastic mushrooms.
Yes, that looks good.
Do you wanna try blow drying? It's like really fun.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, look at that. This is so cool. Kick it up a notch. That's a good trick.
Grab those tongs. And really, what is better than this?
That looks beautiful. This is gonna be so yummy tonight.
So good.
So good. I think this is a showstopper. I can't wait to eat those.